I'm gonna tell you what I think about JB Weld. I'm cleaning this metal right here just like I'm cleaning my metal when I get ready to weld, stick weld, TIG weld, MIG weld, whatever. But we're gonna test this JB Weld, and I'm gonna give you my input on how it works and how I feel about it. So I've been in the welding industry for maybe 35 years. So I know about welding. So we're gonna try this JB Weld and see what happens. So first, you can pick this JB Weld up at any of your hardware store, or I'll put a link in the description below. This is the JB Weld. This is the original right here. So it tells you in the instructions, 1-to-1 ratio, mix it up really well. And I'm gonna turn it on the back and show you what the instructions say. It says clean the area, and then you squeeze an equal amount and apply the appropriate tools. You can use your hand with gloves or a stick, whatever you need, and let it set for 4 to 6 hours, and it's completely cured between 15 and 24 hours. So let's go through these steps. I already cleaned my base metal, and they say you can wipe it with alcohol and all that other stuff, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to take my black and the white one, and you can just punch a little hole in it. You can use the knob and just turn it on the other side. It has like a little pin and you can stick a hole in it. And 1-to-1 ratio, black and white. And when you mix the black and white together, it's gonna turn gray. So make sure you put your caps back on so this won't dry out. You may want to use it again later on, but just get you a stick, credit card, whatever you got around the house to mix this up with. And like I said, you mix the black and white, it's going to turn gray. So you notice I got some gloves on right here, so I'm going to just use my hand to apply this in the T-joint. And I'm gonna only apply it on this one side. I'm not gonna put it underneath or on the other side. And if I do that, that'll make it even stronger. So I'm just doing it on this one side, because after I let it set for about 24 hours, we're gonna break it and look at the soundness of it and just see what it looks like once we break it. And this stuff is it's pretty thick, so it'll hold. So you can be out of positions, upside down, whatever, and apply this. Like I said, I'm only applying it on this one side. If I wanted to make it stronger, I would have put it on the bottom part of this T-joint also, and that'll be really good. So you can make it thicker or thinner, how you want. I'm gonna just put a thin layer, kind of similar to what I'm doing as I'm welding. This stuff, it really burns really good. I've used it before, and to tell the truth, I really like it. I just want to demo it to you guys and just show you exactly what's going on with it. So they say between 4 and 6 hours is, it's not fully cured, but you can move your stuff around, but you want to set for 15 to 24 hours. So we're gonna let this set for 24 hours. I'm gonna show you a close-up of how I apply this. You see right there, I could have did a better job, but I'm making this video for you guys to just let you see how this works. And I just put a little on the side so I could break it later on. So if you look on the other side, like I said, I didn't apply anything on this side because I want to break this, and I didn't apply anything underneath it either. So after 24 hours, this is what it looks like. Let's get a close-up look. It's bonded really good. And I'm gonna just try to break this with my hand. I'm gonna put some pressure on it. And that's on one side. It didn't even break. I'm very impressed with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this vise and break it on purpose. So I'm gonna take my hammer and do a soundness test. So I'm gonna break that off, and we're gonna zoom in and let you look at the inside of this, what it looks like when you break it. So this is a close-up look. As you can see, that's pretty solid. You may have a few little dots. We call it in the welding field a little porosity. I didn't clean it too well, but it's pretty solid. And I'm gonna grind this off and see what it looks like. So we're gonna grind it flush to the base metal. And while I'm grinding this, it actually looks like the metal itself. Very impressive. It looks like weld metal or carbon steel. Let's zoom in and I'm gonna just show you. You see where I grind down, just knock a little of it down. Look at that. It's just a little grayer, but other than that, I think it's a good weld. See a little porosity, that's okay. Like I said, I didn't clean it too well. I could have wiped it with alcohol and let it dry, and probably would have came out a whole lot better. But I'm gonna take this little piece right here and knock it off. And we're gonna break this so you can see the soundness of it. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that. This stuff works good. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.